In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a pie chart in Canva. If you're preparing a presentation, a report, or a quick social graphic, a pie chart is a fast way to show proportions at a glance, and Canva makes it simple. Start by opening your project in Canva. Make sure you're in the editor view where you can see your canvas in the middle and the toolbar on the left. On that left sidebar, click Elements. This is Canva's library of graphics, shapes, and charts. At the top of the Elements panel, use the search bar and type Pie Chart. You'll see a section for charts, along with decorative graphics. Choose the editable pie chart from the chart's results, then click it once. Canva will place the chart directly onto your design. You can move the chart by clicking and dragging it, and you can resize it by pulling the corner handles. Resizing won't change your data. It only adjusts the visual size so it fits your layout. If you ever place it in the wrong spot, press undo or drag it back into position. With the pie chart selected, look to the left side again. A data panel appears where you can edit the chart's values. Replace the placeholder numbers with your own data. It's best to type the raw numbers rather than manually calculating percentages. Canva will automatically convert them into the correct slice sizes. If you need an extra slice, add a new row in the panel. To remove a slice, clear or delete a row. Rename each label so it clearly describes what the slice represents, and update the colors to keep them distinct. If the data panel disappears, simply click the chart again to bring it back. As you edit, watch the slices update in real time. Keep your categories concise so the chart remains readable, and choose high contrast colors for clarity. If your design uses a brand palette, apply those colors to keep everything consistent. Consider the order of slices too. Grouping similar values or placing the most important category first can make your message more intuitive. When you're done entering data, give the chart a quick sanity check. Do the labels match the slices? Do the numbers tell the story you intended? A clean, legible pie chart should be easy to understand at a glance. That's it. You opened your project, added a pie chart from Elements, and edited the data in the left panel. With these steps, you can create crisp, accurate visuals that elevate your design in just a few clicks.